dream. I'm riding in the car with Mom, Dad, and Grandpa. We are going to a farm today. We're here. Time to hop out. We were still in the car. Hi, teacher. Thanks for the help. Let's go. That way? I think there are animals over there. Now we're going into a big building. The walls are glass and the floors are wide. I see a sign that says Community Exploration, Grassroots and Co-Farms. Mom and Dad come inside too. We find the goats, they look funny and make soft noises. There are plants everywhere. Inside again, I'm cutting paper for a craft.
Yung Monday basta. Hindi pa niya kilala yung mga classmates. Yung careful. Careful. Okay? Oh, see?
Oops, I almost snapped my legging, but it's okay. Mom puts my hat on me. Let's go outside, Mom. I just saw a tractor. Hurry, let's take pictures before it drives away without me. Let's drive that, Mom. I'll be the driver. Wait, take some pictures first. Click, click. Mom, Dad, and I all smile together for the picture.
Thank you. But when you want to sit down, babe? Sit down, pretend that you're driving the tractor.
Let's go. Hold on tight. It might go super fast. Watch me, Mom. I'm a tractor driving pro. Vroom, vroom. I think there's a problem with the gas, Mom. It's not going anywhere. Maybe it needs a snack first? Let's go down, Dad. My driving shift is over. Picture time again, Dad. Wow, we look so beautiful in the picture. We move to another spot. I'm going to plant my very first plant with my friends. I hold a tiny shovel and feels cool in my hand. I play with the shovel and a little black box. Oh, a tray of soil just arrived. Let's plant
Wait for
now.
your turn, okay? We're gonna borrow Bella's shovel app.
helps me scoop the soil into the pot.
Can you just probably eat onions and lettuces?
She hands me a small
Okay,
pan
can you poke?
and tells me to poke a hole in the dirt.
Stand up niya. Put it dito. You put it in the middle. Mommy put. Oh, you put. Okay, you put in the middle. Come on, you put.
Mom,
Come on, you put.
that's wrong like this.
Come on, you put in the middle. And then you put it properly. Little bit. This one. Good job. Okay. Push. Which one do you want to plant?
We tuck the plant in and cover it with more soil.
Like you put in the side. And then my inside is mommy put here. Like that. Good job.
Let me try. Mom, I got this. Phew, farmer's life is not easy. Mom gets a blue elephant watering can. Mom, let me help you. I'm an expert now with but still.
Can we borrow this po?
Together, we give the baby plant its first drink. More water, little plant. Drink up so you can grow big like me. Phew, it's super hot. Picture again? How much will I get paid for this, Mom? At least one ice cream, right? Picture time. Look, I'm holding the sun.
Is it hot? Okay, let's go.
Finished at last. We're going back to the building now.
So we only have one open rehab.
Outside again, it's super hot.
Sige.
Where's my umbrella boy for today? Oh, hi there. Dad, I mean, my umbrella boy. Was my umbrella boy in the hand fan? I feel like a red princess. Wow, look at them, touring the farm under the blazing sun. Respect. We try to feed goats through a fence. I hold out grass, but the goats stay away. Silly goats. Boo! Back inside again. Dadoops. I mean, umbrella boy is holding my mini. It's yummy. We sit at a long table with my friends. Dad sits right beside me. The snack is here. It looks very yummy. Sliced papaya, berries, red juice, and more. Yummy! Someone takes a big group picture. While we are still eating, everyone is smiling. What a fun day at the farm. Thank you for watching.